Hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. I'm called Victor. Today we are going to show you how you can import an AutoCAD file into Archicad 23. So this will help us to know how you can work on your project using AutoCAD direct when you want to change anything that is available in your Archicad. You can import directly into that Archicad. So I recommend you to subscribe to this YouTube channel if you are new, and you can comment because it can help us to work or to make an according to what you want. And remember to share this video to your colleagues. So thank you. We start by opening as this AutoCAD file, then double click on it, and already start to be opened, and wait a moment until it will be complete to be opened. Okay, do you see? So this is our first project that I was showing you how we can import dialect into Archicad. So after you open, you can also come here and close, then save, and immediately is already closed. So we come on this Archicad and then come here as a file, then select on interpretability, and then go on merge. Then you select our project where you want to import in this Archicad. You remember in AutoCAD you want to import this into Archicad. So then click on open, then click OK, then come on merge, and immediately these are like a reference point to be set. Okay, after you click on this, immediately come this dialog box, describe all the layer to be unlocked or visible in Archicad. So then click OK. So immediately our drawing is directly come into Archicad 23. So this is a first drawing that I want to show you to import into Archicad from AutoCAD. So we can also come into file when you have many drawing wanted to import in Archicad, want to make any change. So you come here also pass through the same way. At this time we want to import this copy of CVC Victor, then click open and come as OK and merge, then click OK, and then come on fit in window, and this is like the second simple building Okay, as you see, this is comes into AutoCAD. So when you select on file comes from AutoCAD already is well selected, so we can come into file and then come into editor and direct come into grouping and click on ungrouping. So immediately when you click on first you on first you can also defer to another. So you can continue to draw or to change everything what you want on this project from AutoCAD. Then you can change it in Archicad, then after you can also import it into AutoCAD. So today this is our lesson today, and I hope you are getting more knowledge about how to import a AutoCAD file into Archicad. So I recommend you to make subscribe if you are new on this YouTube channel, and you can comment if you want to do that, and remember to subscribe to share this video to your colleagues. Thank you. I'm called the Victor. Shall meet next time.